What's up, guys? It's Mike here. So, as I said yesterday, I got my silver Benz back out of paint. So I'm going to go ahead and install this duckbill spoiler that I had painted to factory match the factory color here. So, let me get set up. And I know I told you guys I'd do a video of removing it. However, all of my spoilers have been removed, and it's a very easy process to remember when it's all said and done. So let me get this, well, let me get set up for the film, and we'll go from there. All right, so basically you want to, and this is for the installation, we're going to kind of show you what it was like to take it off after it's installed, so you get an idea. It's real easy. But for installation, we're just going to wipe this down really good and get it clean, and then we're going to go back and we're going to get some alcohol and a heating gun. So that we can get to work on installing it. Okay, so now I'm going to go get the alcohol and the heating gun and pull an extension cord out here. Okay, so now I got the alcohol, isopropyl, got a fresh clean rag. What I'm gonna do is just get a nice little soak here. And then I'm gonna start wiping where I'm going to apply the new spoiler, or the new to me spoiler. This spoiler actually was on this car originally, but it came with a carbon fiber wrap, and I didn't want to go that route when I got this back out of the shop, so I had it sanded, primed, and paint matched, because I really thought it would look good matched to the OEM paint. So here's that, nice and clean, surface is prepped. Now I'm going to go get the spoiler. Now I'm going to go ahead and peel the adhesive off of the stripping, because it's going to save time. And basically I use a razor and I peel the stripping off of the sticky tape. So I'll go get that and we'll get back at it. Okay, so now that we have the surface clean, I have the paint or the tape prepared. I'm going to heat this. Don't take much. Then I'm going to heat this. I'm already aware of the spacing that it's going to take to make it even, so. But really, when you're installing this is form fit too, so it'll just sit on the car. You don't want to press on it just yet. You want to get that distance that you determined before when you dry fitted it. I'm going to make sure it's the same on the other side before you start pressing down. So let's do that first. Telling you, this thing is sticky as all get out. And now once it's oh, wait a minute, and that's off a little bit. And see, that's why you don't press down. You get, it's forgiving to an extent, but it's some strong tape as well. Like I said, you just got to be patient. Once it's where you want it to be, then you start pressing down and all that good stuff. So let's see what my gaps look like. I need to move it just a little more this way. Pretty good with that. And now I'm just gonna hold this thing down. I'm gonna take my heat gun and go around it. And I'm going around it because the metal, the spoiler isn't metal, but the trunk lid is. So the heat will transfer to where the tape is seating. And it just gives one good final little stick. Now I can take and wipe it off and we'll see what the final result looks like. I think it looks nice, color matched. Absolutely. All right, so let's have a look at it. Look at the fit mat. Look at the gaps like I was talking about. And let's just get an overall, let's get some profiles. I think that looks really, really clean. Painted to match. Looks excellent. So next plan, let's show you real quick to take them off. So let's just say I was taking this off. I'm not going to, but you need this heat gun, not a hair dryer like some people claim, a heat gun. And you want to turn it on low to start, and you want to work your way back and forth slowly for about 5 minutes. You know, you don't want to burn nothing. Keep 4 inches at least separated from the gun and the spoiler. And then once those 5 minutes is up, after you've done heating on it, you should be able to grab your spoiler, whether it's a slim factory one or any spoiler, as long as it's not bolted in, and you know it's not. Factory spoilers are not bolted in on these. And you just start pulling up intensely to start peeling. You'll get the feel of the amount of force that you'll need to pull it up, but the heat will help separate the tape from the car. And you just pull up on that slowly, and you just keep working your way from one side to the other. Now, you might have to take the gun, and you may have to heat some more before you lift it. But that's how you remove it. And then you take some goof off, okay? Or Goo Gone, which is a cleaner, both of them, goof off and Goo Gone, and you can wipe them on a rag and then soak the residue that the tape left on the trunk lid, and then you can just work that as it does its thing, work that material off of the paint. And for the most part, most of it will come off, but no matter how good you are or how good of solvent that you use, there's going to be a tape line. So I mean, be prepared for that. So, but there you have it. Next, I get to fool with the front bumper and the fenders, and I aim to do that this weekend because this thing is getting put together. The only thing that's not going to be put on just yet is the roof molding, because I'm wrapping those. I have to finish wrapping the interior. Show that to you guys here. So I'm wrapping the interior this style. So I have to finish doing that, putting floor mats in, and I am also putting a steering wheel cover on. I see the paint guy got dust all in my carpets. It's kind of upsetting. Well, at any rate. So that's where I'm at with this. We're gonna, you know, we're gonna take out the OEM headlights. We're gonna put those aftermarkets in. Still gotta put the chrome trim on the fenders to match the rest of the car. Got fender liners to put in. You know, project's coming along. Hope you guys learned a little something today. And I'll keep posting pics and video of the project as it comes along. Thank you.